Happy World Milk Day, Australia! Dairy or plant-based? What's best for your family's cuppa or cereal? Let's break it down quickly. Dairy milk has been a long-time staple, packed with calcium, vitamin D, when fortified, and protein. It's great for bone health, especially for growing kids. However, lactose intolerance or specific dietary choices might lead you to look for alternatives. That's where plant-based milks come in, and the choices are huge. Soy, almond, oat, rice, coconut. The list goes on. They're often lower in saturated fat and can be a fantastic option for vegans or those with dairy allergies. Soy milk, for instance, is a good protein source and often fortified to match dairy's calcium and vitamin D levels. Almond milk is typically lower in calories and a source of vitamin E, but naturally lower in protein and calcium and less well fortified. Oat milk offers a creamy texture and some fibre, and like others, benefits greatly from fortification, but always check for added sugars. The key with any milk is to look for unsweetened versions and check the label for fortification, especially for calcium and vitamin D. Understanding what's in your milk helps you make informed choices to ensure your family gets the essential nutrients they need, no matter which type you pour. So what's the go-to in your Aussie household and why? Dairy, plant-based, or a bit of both? Milk choices explained. Which do you prefer and why? Track your calcium and Vit D with EradehApp, whatever your choice. #EradehApp.